Now we have our second speaker of the day, Gabriel Sachet, who is giving his P3. Get to the point from basic CC manner. Gabriel Divesh, I would like to call upon Gabriel Divesh for to read the objectives.
Objectives. Select a speech topic and determine its general and specific purposes. Organize the speech in a manner that best achieves those purposes. Ensure the beginning, body, and conclusion reinforce the purposes. Project sincerity and conviction and control any nervousness you may feel. Strive not to use notes. Time 5 to 7 minutes.
Now I would like to call upon Gabriel Sachet.
It is said that fact is sometimes stranger than fiction, and nowhere is this more true than black holes. Hello, dear Cavaliers, and respected Velu sir. Today, I will be talking about black holes. Before I dive deeper into what is a black hole, I would like to talk to you about how a black hole is formed. A black hole is formed when the core of a star collapses and the star explodes. Therefore, we can say that a black hole is born when a star dies. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, its core starts running out of fuel. The core is no longer able to hold the star back, resulting in its collapse. This gives birth to a mini black hole with gravity running wild inside it. The black hole starts eating up everything that is left inside the star. And it all happens in milliseconds. Even before the star can realize what's happening to it, it explodes. The explosion releases tremendous amount of energy, even more energy than our sun can produce in its entire lifetime. Isn't that crazy?
Yes.
Black holes are regions in space where an enormous amount of mass is packed into a tiny volume. This creates a gravitational pull so strong that not even light can escape. Let me tell you a secret. Did you know that you could turn into a black hole as well? Yeah, the computer you're using, devices, me, or anything around you that has matter has something called the Schwarzschild radius, also known as the gravitational radius, which is the radius of a tiny sphere into which a mass of an object is compressed to fit. Its escape speed would be equal to the speed of light, which is way too much. But the chances of you turning into the black hole are rare because of the tiny Schwarzschild radius that is present in the object that you have. Stuff that gets too close to a black hole gets sucked in because of the super humongous gravitational pull. So nothing can escape a black hole, not even light. Have you ever wondered what would happen if two black holes collided with each other? Chances are that there might be from the two black holes there might be one black hole which has more mass, more gravity, and much massive than the other one. That black hole would send the other black hole hurtling away. The bigger, the mightier. Black holes are the strangest objects in the universe. A black hole doesn't have a surface like a planet or a star. Instead, it's a region where a lot of matter has collapsed on one each other. Stephen Hawking, the famous physicist in science, was the first person to prove that black holes were present in the universe. Stephen Hawking is best known for his discovery of finding out that black holes emit radiation, where he made a special instrument to prove his discovery. Stephen Hawking had also proven that black holes are not totally black. Black holes radiation, also known as Hawking radiation, named after Stephen Hawking. That radiation emits emits neutrons which contain light. Did you know that time travels differently inside and near a black hole? Did you know that there's a black hole near Earth and it's 1700 light years away? Don't worry, that's too long of a time. Black holes do not have a surface. It's like a whirlpool. I hope you enjoyed my speech. Thank you.
Thank you, Gabriel Sanchez, for this wonderful and informative speech.